Welcome back to a new creative video. Today I'm playing with stamps from rubber bands. And I will share how I stamp with metallic paints from ColourCraft onto a photo paper background that was created with Brushos. I'll link you up to the video where I did the background in the top right corner. I picked a leaf stamp from the Crazy Flowers stamp set and painted with my metallic craft paint from ColourCraft. This paint dries really quick, so I give it a spritz with water before I stamp it. The Aztec Metallic Paints from ColourCraft are water reactive, so you don't have to hurry up with cleaning your stamp. There is still a little bit of water on my stamp, so I don't spritz it again. I cut out my title with a cutting die and I will cover it up with the same paint I used for stamping. I glue down the backgrounds to black cards that have a ATC size. My main images are two flower stamps from rubber bands, and I colored them in with colored pencils. Here are the finished cards. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!